Hello friend, today we are studying Cage Culture Part 1st, BSc First Year, Paper number 3, Unit number 1st by Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan, NES Science College, Nanded. Introduction. Culture of fish in a mesh box placed in water is called as a cage culture. It is an intensive method of aquaculture. Cage culture is practiced in an area where there is a sufficient water movement. It is done in a river, estuaries and seas. Cage culture. History. Cage culture originated in Campesia about 200 years ago. Originally, cages were used to transport the fishes alive from capturing area to market area. History of cage culture. Cage culture was first originated nearly 2200 years ago in Cambodia, where a fisherman used to keep a Clarice species. Cage culture is a popular traditional culture practice in Indonesia. Common carp culture in a bamboo cage is a practice in West Java since early 1940. Modern cage culture is open water bodies. Started in Japan in early 1950s. Presently, more than 62 countries are practicing the cage culture. Currently, 80 species of finfish are being cultured in cage. Evolution of cage culture in India. In India, cage culture was attempted for a first time in 1970 in three environments. Shams market by the low DO concentration using the air breathing fishes. Running water of Yamuna Ganga river at Allahabad using a major carp. Standing water body in Karnataka using a common carp, cutla, silver carp, rohu, snakehead and tilapia. The Central Inland Fishery Research Institute attempted a cage culture in the 1970s with a production of air-breathing fish in a cage but got a poor result. Type of cage. 4 types of cage are being used for cage culture: fixed cage, floating cage, submerged cage. Type of culture unit: pen, cage and pen. Cage in lake, cage in ocean, pen. Cage fixed cage through the very primitive in origin, still in Hodge is used to shallow water body part with a water depth in a 1 to 3 meter in reservoir. Floating cage is supported by the floating frame wherein a net bags are kept hanging in water without touching the base. The water body is in depth more than 5 meter in reservoir. Submerged cage has a net bag suspended from a surface with a adjustable biopsy. It may be rigid or flexible. Submerged cage. It have been bagged in a fitted in a solid or strong frame and submerged under the water. Optional meaning in a marine environment. Cage culture in reservoir. Cage is established in a reservoir, utilized in a national water, more per unit area production, less cost of production, more production per unit area. Thank you.